Tired of that ringing in your ears, that buzzing, that whistling sound? A lot of my patients come in and they really complain of this, and it's called tinnitus. And I'd like to talk about some options. Maybe we can tone the volume down a little bit on that. So let's go through and talk about some of the common over-the-counter medications out there. Joe, coming at you, 2 minutes, health hacks that we have a series that we go through and talk about something maybe you go to the pharmacy looking for, and maybe we can give you some insights before you get there. So number one, Ginkgo Biloba has been around for years. It helps increase circulation in the ear. Some of the studies are conflicting if it does have a benefit, and you have to watch for side effects relative to drug interactions with this one. Zinc supplements are very important in cochlear function, and they have a role to play, but studies have not shown much over placebo yet. They're looking at it. Vitamin B12 always has been shown to be good for neurological function because it has effect to enhance that. However, the preliminary studies are promising, but they need to do a lot more. Melatonin for people that say they have tinnitus and they want to sleep. Well, it helps them sleep, but it doesn't really do much for the tinnitus as far as I can tell. And magnesium is one that is very important in ear function, but still, again, preliminary studies promising, but not there yet. And then the last one is Lipo-Flavonoids. This product's been on the market for a long time. It's a proprietary blend of some lemon bioflavonoids and some other ingredients, B vitamins. It's been around for a long time, 50 years. It's been promoted by some of the ENT providers to say, hey, look, give this a try for tinnitus. There's been a study out there called the Silent Study. It's in the description of this video. You can read about that. Pretty interesting. But basically, they have said to their people that try this drug, and I do the same thing, hey, look, it's a 60-day money-back, 100% guarantee. So try it, do what they say as far as taking it as directed for 60 days, and you decide after 60 days if you've seen improvement. If you have not, they'll give you your money back. Now, how can you beat that deal, right? So that's what I tell them, because the safety is there for this drug. So it's a supplement, not a drug. Now, disclaimers, none of these things prevent, cure, or treat tinnitus as far as the FDA is concerned. So there's no FDA certification on any of these because they're supplements. Now, the last thing is this. Take and follow the promo code because you might be able to get some promotional discounts from going through RxHealthyHabits. We always try to set up brand partnerships with our companies that we promote for. And this one is one I'm sold on because I've recommended this to a lot of patients in the pharmacy. So hope that tip helps, and check out the show notes and you'll find all the other studies in there that I think are really going to help you. So God bless.